All right, my name is Gravy, and we're fixing to fix this sucker on up. Let's get started. All right. Today we got what do we got? A Mercury Mariner or Mariner? An overpriced Ford Escape. That's what we got with the 3.0 engine. Came in with the engine light on, and it's running rough. And you can see the engine shaking around, and you hear that boom, 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 boom. You pull this back, you can hear it a little better. So we're gonna try to figure that out, see what we can come up with. Okay, we got a code. We got a 40402 EGR excessive flow. Let's figure it out. Okay, it's making the thump noise. And first thing I want to do, since we got excessive flow from the EGR, I'm going to unhook the vacuum hose. Well, what do you know? Smooth out. The noise is gone. So now, let's check vacuum on here. We should have zero vacuum, but I can tell by just sticking my finger on it. Yet I got some vacuum. Let's see how much we got. Dang diggity dog, we got like 6 pounds, or not pounds, I guess that'd be called inches. 6 inches vacuum. Well, let's see, this vacuum hose, it runs down here to this little thingamajiggy, and I think that's called a EGR control regulator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it, and now the computer can't be sending any signals to it. And I'm going to look at my vacuum again, and we've still got vacuum. So what that means is that valve is letting some vacuum in, it's cracking this valve open, and it's letting exhaust gases into the engine. And it's making a noise. So we need one of these jiggy-diggers here. All right. Word with Gravy, and our word today is regulator. Regulator. That's how you pronounce it. Regulator. Let's find one and let's do it. Wait a minute. I don't think that spelling's right. It's not right. And we have to be precise. Regulator. There we go. Perfect. Looks like this right here. You see it's got 2 nipples on it. Nipples. All right. Where's my baby back ribs? Baby back. Oh, here it is. Here we go. Now this one here is an 8mm. All right, got that sucker put on. We got 0 inches of vacuum. Just what we're supposed to have. Now let's plug her up, see if it fixed it. Plug this up. Oh, it's running good. No more noises in there. All right. We got that one fixed right on up, and We'll see you on the next one.